Who killed Bill?
Happy Halloween, everybody!
No, she's not in Halloween makeup. That's her normal makeup, everybody.
It's my highlight.
The beautiful Didi Taylor in the house.
It's my highlight. It's sickening.
And my name is Alexis Mateo, and we are here to invite you to our Halloween extravaganza this Thursday, October the 31st, here at Sun at the Beach in Kissimmee, Florida, where everything is gonna happen, and it's gonna stay.
What
here.
is everything?
Everything. The most scary thing is gonna happen.
Who are you gonna be?
Nothing. I'm just gonna get in drag. It's always a scary.
Okay, duh.
Girl, yeah.
We got Victoria over there getting ready.
So Victoria.
Hey, Victoria, say hello.
This girl's still in training for makeup.
And we also have the beautiful Genesis Nicole Vanity.
Yes. Summer will be here. Also, Shirley Matthews is gonna be in the house. It's the Diamond Divas Review. Welcome.
Review.
The evil. A Son of the Beach. Bitch, you look like the crow.
We are being stupid. It's the one time where we're allowed to be ugly is this week.
Yeah.
So we're capitalizing on the opportunity.
We getting paid to be ugly. Well, we hope so. But see you all next Thursday, bitches. Remember, how much is it to get in?
$5.
It's $5 to get in.
Say it in
everybody.
Spanish so they know.
So, for all the Latin people.
Yeah.
Para toda la gente latina, la noche de Halloween es aquí a Sun at the Beach este jueves, donde vamos a estar haciendo todas las cosas peligrosas. So come out. Sal de tu casa vestidito. Bring all your costumes, dressed up, come and party with us. We're gonna get drunk and we're gonna celebrate the house. Plus, I'm bringing my puppy as a lion.
She's so cute.
Why be extraordinary? You can be extraordinary.
She's